Hey bakers, welcome back. So today we're going to be making French macaroons. Well, I call them in Spanish cocadas. So this is one of my ingredients that I'll be using. It's going to be coconut flakes and the sweet ones. So we're going to add it to our bowl, to this bowl. And make sure your hands are clean for this recipe. And then we're going to use condensed milk, 1 can. I already opened it, so let's just add it to our condensed milk. Condensed to our bowl actually. Okay guys, so we're going to be mixing it until it looks like this, okay? So make sure it's all really good, mix it well, mix, and then you put your teaspoon of vanilla, make sure you mix it all in there, and you mix it just until you don't see the vanilla anymore. Of course, it's gonna turn a little like light, which is okay. But it's all good. You guys can use a bigger bowl if you want. And then now you gotta use your hands. So this is the good part. So you just use your hands and you mix it like this. Making sure that it's all mixed. And making sure that your hands are super clean. Super clean. Okay, so we'll be back for the next step, guys. Okay guys, so remember, you need a bag of coconut flakes, the sweet kind. You need a teaspoon of vanilla and a can of condensed milk, and you mix it all together. And then our next step is going to be two eggs, and we're going to separate it because we want the egg whites instead of the yellow part. We want the white one. Here are my egg whites in my bowl. So now we're just going to mix it. Of course I'm making a mess, of course. Just clean up your mess, that's all. It's in here ready, my egg whites, 2 only, okay? So don't put more than 2. So now I'm going to mix it with my hand mixer. It's ready, see? Where it doesn't fall off, see? That's what you want to see. Where you have to shake it off. So then now, we're going to add it all in our bowl. All of it. We're going to fold it in, mixing it in. Fold it in, little by little. Not all of it, just some of it. Maybe like half. You just mix it in, churning it, folding it in, and adding the other part, all of it to it, and also folding it in. When you have everything in there, then you mix it all in, and you just fold it in. Just this way. Do not mix it like this, just churning it like this. That's folding it in. Making sure you get everything in there. As you guys can see, just where you can see how it has to look. Like this. See that? And you mix it all the way, you mix it until you get everything, all the egg whites mixed in, folding it in. You're not gonna do this, you're gonna do this, churning it. As you can see, let me show you guys, churning it. See, like this, just churning it. You're getting all the egg whites in there. Okay, so it's ready. Okay, so now we're gonna form our little balls, and we're gonna put it in a pan with parchment paper and your oven preheated at 325. 325. So what I do is this. I like to grab a spoon and just play with this and just try to make like a little ball. Like this, like a little ball. And you form like a ball and you put it here. Like that, see? You form like a ball. And you do a couple of them. Like trying to like, you know, form a ball. We just try to, you know, and then if you really want to do, you can also get one of these, an ice cream scooper, the small one, and you know, you form your ball like this, and you drop it here, like that. There's two ways. If you don't have one of these ice cream scoopers, you can do it the first way, like the way I did it with the 2 spoons. You don't have to get all fancy if you don't want to. This is just an easy recipe that you can do with your children, you know, and like I said, only 3 ingredients. That's all you need: the coconut, the condensed milk, and the 2 egg whites, and the vanilla. I'm sorry, 4 ingredients. You know, so I mean, it's such easy ingredient you can do it with your kids. For if you guys are having like a party, or if you know, you're having a gathering, or just, you know, you can give as little snacks, you know, or if you wanna you know, I don't know, just for any occasion that you're gonna have. Trust me, you're going to love these. If you follow the directions, you're gonna love these. Remember, it's just 325 in the oven for 23 to 24 minutes. And like I said, what you have to do is, you know, you try to form your little ball, and it's however you want them, how big that you want them, you know. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the oven, and like I said, 325 for 23 to 24 minutes, and I'll show you guys the results when we're done. Hey guys, so here is the outcome of my French macaroons. See how they came out? Super cute, huh? And so what I did is I dipped these in chocolate. As you can see, all I did was just dip them and decorate them, and they come out amazing. So let's try one and see. Look at that. Wow. Delicious. So you guys can put anything on it. If you want to put any color to decorate them, you can. And so yeah, I hope you guys do make this recipe. Like I said, you're gonna need 1 bag of coconut, a teaspoon of vanilla, 2 egg whites, and 1 can of condensed milk. Remember, you have to mix the egg whites and then incorporate it inside your coconut mix. Okay guys, I do hope you guys do give me a thumbs up, and thank you for watching, and hey, don't forget to subscribe. So you guys, thank you, and I hope you do this recipe.